Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic chicken. Garlic chicken is an island favorite. It has a sweet, savory, and garlic taste, making it super ono. This is a great comfort food to eat on days when you're missing home. You'll need the following ingredients. First, we'll make the sauce. In a large bowl, add together shoyu, sugar, garlic, sesame oil, green onions, and red pepper flakes. Mix it well. Add the sauce to a medium pot and bring it to a boil. When it begins to boil, turn off the heat, remove, and let it cool. The next part, we'll make the batter to fry the chicken. In a bowl, add together flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix it well. Using 1.5 inches of cut chicken thighs, dredge it first in flour. Then set aside some of the marinated sauce and dip the dredged chickens in the sauce. Then re-dredge the chickens in flour. Heat up the oil and carefully add in the chickens. Let it fry until it starts to look crispy brown. Remove the chicken and place it on a plate lined with paper towel. Toss the fried chicken in the garlic sauce. Serve it hot and enjoy this onolicious garlic chicken. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!